Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to check available flights on Skyscanner. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to check available flights on Skyscanner. Maybe because you're planning to go to another city or country, so you're looking for the available flights, and if you find anyone, you could book it. Or there could be any other reason for you. So, whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can check available flights on Skyscanner. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you will see the title of the app, and there you will see different options. So from all these options, as we are in the home, therefore we could see all these options. So from all these options, here we have this option at the top which says flights. With the help of this option, you could book or even can find available flights for your trip. So you just have to simply click onto this option and then you will get here. Now first you have to choose, like, it will be a round trip, it will be a one-way trip, or if it will be a multi-city trip. It's all up to you. Whatever you want to choose according to your plan, you can choose that. There are three options, so you can choose any one of these. After that, you have to select from where you will start your journey, from which city you will fly. So here on the search bar, you have to select that city or that country from where you're starting your trip. Let's say you live in Canberra, so here you have to select the Canberra because from Canberra you will start your journey. And in the two, you have to select the place from where you will end your trip, or maybe where you want to go. Like if you want to go to Edinburgh, then you have to enter Edinburgh or any other place of your choice. Likewise, you have to select from which date to which date you will continue your trip, like from which date you will fly and from which date you will return back to your country. So here we have different options for dates. You can choose that. Once you have done with the dates, it's time to get back. Therefore, you just have to simply click on this cross option or you can click on confirm. Once you get back, you will see all the available flights which will be available on the dates that you have entered. You also have some of the filters that you could use. So once you find the flight that you think is the most good one for you or the best one, you may check it or may you book it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can check available flights on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.